On the sidewalk.
Hey, you already know it's Fly Game in the building. Check out my website, flygamemusic.com. We getting it, you feel me? We fucking with the Union Showcase. We getting it right now. We grinding hard. We getting this money. We trying to do it, you feel me? You don't got no choice but to support a nigga, you feel me? Let's get this money, you feel me? Fly Game out.
Raging bag of hormones slowly fading off course. Only foregone persons are gonna ride that highest horse. They're versions of me in a parallel universe. Fantasy ever my hell on earth. Bottom of the valley, meet another scallion in my wily search. Found by my surroundings, and that's just how it's gonna be. Neurotic workings of my mind, quirks to quickly poison my IV. Swinging through time's vines, rationing what's left to survive. And I don't know, I really don't know why I put so much value on my pride. I would lie, retract my high five and try to get back to business. But I'm free-spirited, locked at the end of a period sentence. Compare fetters to free, that's making a difference. A literal sense of my reasonings, characteristics. Descriptive, appearances deceiving, comparative to useless dreaming. Heaving a note to the mediocre, although it's no feelings. It takes a walk in the evenings. Once upon a beginning, my happy beginning was scheming. Now it's screening what's happening. Deletion's bleeding, creeping to reach me when I expect it to be easy. Catch and release me, catch me then release me. Contradicted, slightly appeasing, you're fucking kidding me. Catch and release me, contradicted, slightly appeasing. I wanna make it all better, we're all screwed over seemingly. The things we can't control should be fair, this isn't. Absent of feelings, feeling its presence. I've seen my eyes pierce sections of the soul closest to my lessons. Another dull first impression. These synthetic trends dance pathetic, stay high in demand. That tonight it all ends to carry me forever. Kinetic, pleasant, prophetic, smart and clever. Never again will I be that sign. I'm on the floor, head severed with this sight for the blind. Yellow bruises, prototype uses and clarified confusion. It takes bites to chew it, and you were designed toothless to sing the blues with. Peaking the mental aspects, pledge original thinking, agreeing signals being pivotal is simple. Hope to dream of them again under different circumstances. Improvisational stanzas that are tracking down all the romancers. Paint a mosaic on a blank sheet, fake the inspiration absorbing in your memory, somehow stopping after holding up the final draft for all to see. An odyssey amongst stories too long to encompass. Probably soaring, I got lost somewhere in the ruckus. Does this mean an expiration date ought to be set? It seems to instigate the motto no regret. No concept, let it all flow and get better. Figures, cause where I was bitten I found the cure. Lost and profound, the turning right back into the crosstown lore. Brightening up my blue eyes, thinking mirrors, impaired, pure as sanitizer. Turn me to desire. I hate the I don't give a fuck routine, shielding misery. I love more than you can imagine. I love more than you can fathom. I love more than what can actually happen.